Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on the 18 horsepower go-kart and we're going to see if we can get it running. I got a carburetor for it and we're going to put that on, get some oil in it, see if we can get it going. So let's get that carburetor on. Okay, so this gasket looks pretty good, so I'm just going to reuse it. So we're just going to slide that right on there. Okay, so then this one goes on after that. And then this is the one that I'm just reusing. And this one, I believe, is for the exhaust. So we're just gonna keep those for the future if we ever need them. Okay, so this one just goes right on after it. Goes right like this. Just slides on there. And you want to make sure that you have both of these to the left when you put it on so that it actually fits on. And now I'm going to go try and see if I can find some nuts to go on there, because I don't think it had any on when I got it. So I got the nuts on. It did actually come with them. So now I'm just going to put this on there. Just goes on like that. And you want to make sure that you have this little rubber ring in there before you put it on so that it seals. And then got some little screws and they just go in there. So I'm gonna get that on and then I'll be back with you. I'm gonna get the valve cover off because it doesn't have the filter for the vent. So I'm just gonna pop that off and then we'll see what it looks like in there. So it does have a filter after all. I was wrong. And it's clean in there. So I'm just gonna put it back on and put some oil in it, see if we can get this engine going. Okay, so it won't start without putting gas right in the air filter right there. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's wrong and then I'll get back with you then. So I got this hooked up back here pretty much, but this just runs through there, just comes out. So I need to think of a way to keep it from coming out so that I can actually get throttle, because when I push on the pedal, it's just gonna do that. So I'm gonna see if I can find something to keep it from coming out, and then I'll show you what I get. Okay, I ended up cutting this little piece off, and we're just gonna use this. It's called a barrel nut. So we take this, poke it, pull a little bit more out, poke it through this hole. Then once you poke it through the hole, you probably want to actually twist it up a little bit. And then you take this, see it has a little hole in it, and you just try to slide that up over there. Once you get it on, you just want to take it and tighten it down. Good enough. So you have this little bracket here that will be right in there. And you take your throttle cable you want it to be right under that little arm thingy. So I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll show you what's next. So you just tighten down this bolt right here, tight as you can get it. Well, probably not as tight as you can get it, but pretty tight. If you can't get it tight enough with a screwdriver, you can also use a wrench, but I think that'll do it. Okay, now let's get the actual cable hooked up. I went ahead and took this piece off, and I just welded this little barrel nut on there for the wire. So we're going to put it back on, feed it through there, tighten it up, and then we should be good. Now you don't want to tighten this one up too much, or else this won't be able to move. So we're just going to keep on loosening that a little bit. There we go, that's good enough. Okay, I finally got it on there. Took me a long time, but got it on there. I ended up taking the muffler off for easier access. So now that I got that, I think we're going to try to take it for a run. So let's see if it drives. No brakes, but you know, who needs brakes? So let's see if we can get it going. Okay, so the belt is just too thin. It's not grabbing, so I can't actually drive it till I get another belt and probably another whatever this thing's called, pulley or whatever. So I guess that's going to do it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you.